Hi everybody, good evening. This is Jean here from Truelove Quilts. Actually, I'm laughing. I'm in pain. But I'm laughing because the other day I was videotaping and one of my kids came in and said, "Mom, all your videos start with, 'Hi, this is Jean here, good morning.'" And whoever it was, I don't know, how one of my kids was like, "You have to be more professional, Mom." I'm like, "Well, it's good morning. I'm Jean. You get it." But it's not morning. It's evening. It's evening, and I have not been in my sewing room. I'm sitting at my computer. Just two things I just want to address. I usually, if you follow me, I usually comment. I usually answer your every comment on my YouTube channel because I think you people who are so kind and so lovely take the opportunity and the time and the energy to comment on my videos. That why in the world wouldn't I answer? Why wouldn't I do that? So I answer all of my comments. Having said that, I put my last video on about my back hurting and I got such lovely comments. I haven't commented, so right now, please regard this as a thank you for all of your lovely comments. The fog of the pain, I'm getting a bit better. I'll address that in a second, but first of all, your comments. I'm thinking, us quilters, there's a lot of bad backs out there. A lot of bad backs. A lot of you, like, oh my word, like you're messed up more than I am. I mean, people on walkers and surgery and this and that and been out for months and years. Oh my word, seriously. Some of the comments, most of them patience and rest. How I have patience and I am resting, but it's funny because I sort of can't sit for a while. I can't sort of stand and I can't walk, but I have to do all sort of those things. I'm not sleeping very well. Oh, but I'll tell you what happened the other night. Oh my word. Everybody had gone. We have a large king size bed and everybody had gone to work or wherever. And there was nobody here just for an hour or so. And I'm trying to get out of bed. My back, for those of you who are messed up, like my back, you can commiserate. I couldn't move and I'm thinking I can't get out of my bed. Really, quite serious. It hurt. The shooting pain when I twisted. So it's funny. We have a wrought iron 4-poster bed with all lace curtains around it. And it has a real pretty ornate headboard. Well, it's just a pretty ornate headboard. I reached up behind them like, and I'm holding on to the wrought iron headboard. And I'm like using it to roll myself out of bed. I'm thinking, oh, if there was a hidden camera, whatever did I look like? Like this beached whale trying to get out of this bed. I thought, I'm a mess. Anyway, I rolled out of bed. I sort of went down on my knees. I had to because the pain. The pain. I've had 10 children. I've had 10 children naturally. At home or with my midwife. 0 drugs. Something flipped. I'm not a martyr. I truly am not a martyr. And it hurt having babies. It hurt. I think people think I yawn and I have a baby. I don't. It hurts a lot, whatever. But I had all these babies. I'll tell you, my back hurt 10 times a million more. It's getting a little bit better. I just wanted to address some of these things. Using a pillow. I already sleep with like 65 pillows. I mean, I have one between my boobs and one in my legs and one on my head and one on my back. So that helps a lot. That does help a lot. A lot of you have herniated discs. You've fallen out of chairs. You've had surgery. Pain is a pain. It truly is. It's debilitating. I've not done anything. And I'm not like I'm not an OCD type A person. I don't care about dust or dishes in the sink, but I do have a clean home. I don't think I can't do anything. But the kids are, everybody's helping. I don't really care. So many of these comments, take care of yourself. Oh, so nice. Sorry you're feeling well. Lots of prayers. I really appreciate it. This one, and I will mention you by name, Joan Hendricks. Back pain is absolute soul-draining pits. Oh my word, I couldn't have said it better. She had, I sound like an advert, but she had found this guy named Eric Goodman. It's a YouTube video about this. It's called Foundation Training. I actually went on his YouTube channel, and this guy, it's like a 12 or 7 minute, is it a yoga stretching thing? Which I don't do on a good day. But I lasted about 2 minutes of this thing, you know, like putting your hip, and it's like you're supposed to be pain-free back problems. It's helping, I must say. Cold compresses I'm having, but I'm also having relief with a heating pad. Really does help. I have an actual a stim, a TENS unit that I hook up. I hook myself up. I'm like Frankenstein. I turn it, and then I turn it on, and I'm like, ah! I'm like trying to turn this thing off. But that's supposed to like I don't know what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to like relax your muscles or something. It just electrocuted me, but it worked. It worked. It was cool. A lot of you people have said, like, I said, like, I'm a little bit of a standstill, like, I don't know what to do. A lot of you people have said, you must not have a life, because it's like, oh, just set up your camera and we'll watch you sew. And I said it before, I'm like, that's so boring. Like, no, but a lot of you said that. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Yeah, and then this one, seems like we're a big group with back problems. Oh, yeah, seriously. Don't take the heavy duty drugs. I did take a PM something to sleep because I wasn't sleeping and the pain's going down my leg, and I was like, oh. And also, too much information you can turn away. Like going to the bathroom, twisting. That's all I'm like, oh my word. Oh my word. You get it. You get it. People been in a car accident. Oh, here, yeah, you must have a high tolerance to pain having 10 kids. Yeah, seriously. Seriously. Same thing with a toothache. Oh, and it's funny, I was thinking about that. I made a video about my tooth. And now my back. That's so true. But toothaches and back problems. Oh, man alive, I'll tell you. Oh, stop, Maxwell. Yeah, first world problems, he's saying. Yeah, it is. It is a first world problem. Give me a break. It is. It is. Take care of yourself. Feel better. Take care of yourself. So very, very kind. Really nice. Oh, Joyanne Peterson, I'll be waiting for your return. Oh, isn't that sweet? That is really, really nice. I literally got hundreds of lovely comments. Really nice. Wacky Jackie, hi. I would enjoy watching you work on anything. I don't know. Well, me doing the dishes? I don't know. I'm not doing dishes. Your videos are lots of fun. It's like sitting and chatting with a friend. I hope it is. But the thing, I'm chatting long enough. But the thing is, and it still hurts. Oh, mate. Mate, it really does hurt. Oh, anyway, I had to tell you guys because I know you'll be real happy and real pleased for me. A couple months ago, I think I told you. I think I told you back in like April. I had gotten an email from a I don't know, Joe Blogs person, saying that they loved one of my quilts and they would like me in a magazine. And I'm like, I didn't recognize it, and I thought it was worded like almost spam, so I ignored it. Anyway, and the deadline for something was like March 30th, first, something like that. I ignored it. Well, on like April the 5th, I got another email from this person, sort of like too good to be true. You know, like I've won $1 million, you know, just push the button. So I ignored it. Well, on like the April the 5th, I got this email from this person saying, maybe you didn't receive our communication. We said something about the deadline was in the end of March, but we can extend it to put you in our magazine. Well, all of a sudden I'm thinking, and then she put a picture of the magazine, and I'm thinking, oh my word, it's for real. So I quickly emailed back, and I'm like, oh my word, I might be in the magazine, whatever. Fast forward, what did I just receive in the mail? I am in this magazine. Oh, hold on. This came with it. congratulations, you've been published in Art Quilting Studio. We would like to congratulate you on being published and hope you enjoy this complimentary copy that you can share with family and friends before it hits the newsstands. Share your fame. Look at that, I'm famous. You want a signed copy? Cost you $3,000. Be sure to tag us on social media when you post about being published. I just put it on my Instagram, which is private, by the way. I don't want 1 million people following me. Get your name out there by connecting with our creative community. So, Art Quilting Studio, Autumn 2018. Hold up. I do know I have it memorized. I am on page 76. It's my bicycle quilt. Remember you guys? It was a show and tell about 4 months ago. I showed you my bicycle quilt. Well, they saw my bicycle quilt in my Etsy shop, and that's how the editor, that was the editor of this magazine, or maybe not the editor, but like one of those people, got in touch with me. So they then sent me like a form to be filled out, like my story, how I made the quilt. So this is the detail of my quilt. And I have 1, 2, 3 pages. Isn't that something? And there's more detail of my quilt. And then I had to give like a little blurb, who I am. Now, I'm a mother of 10. And how I actually, my idea for making this quilt. And this is not like a regular quilting magazine with, like, I have 1 million quilting magazine. This is like, it's an art quilting, like, shuji magazine. Stampington and Company. Like the quilts. I mean, look at this. The stuff, these people in here. Oh my word. They're like art off the wall. But they wanted me. They wanted me. I think that's the coolest thing. They saw my quilt in my Etsy shop. So I got that today. That made me feel better. My back's getting better. And I just thought my YouTube friends would like to know that. So if you go to your, I don't know, like, I guess like a, I don't know what, I've seen this at Joann Fabrics. It's not cheap. It's like a real, how much is it? It doesn't say. Oh, hold on. No, it doesn't say. It looks like it's expensive, so don't buy it. But just go to the store, page 76, 77, and 78. No, buy it. And you can say at one time, I knew her. I know this person. This is my YouTube friend that rattles on. Oh, a lot of people saying, I miss your babbling. I miss your rattling. So apparently I babble and I rattle a lot. I don't rattle. I'm not moving too fast, so I'm not rattling. Anyway, oh, Margaret Mary, thank you. Bless my heart. She blessed my heart. When you got out of your chair, I could see the pain you're in. You don't know the pain I'm in. I'm in a stinking a lot of pain, Mary Margaret. I don't have to worry about sewing, and I'll take care of myself. Sewing will always be there. You'll be missed, but we'll be here when you return. I hope you are. Jen was right. I just love watching you sew, and especially free motion quilt. Yeah. I find free motion quilting easy, and so many people find it hard. I'm ever so sorry about that. I find it easy. I find it very soothing and easy, and that's not, that sounds smug of me. I don't mean to sound smug, because maybe somebody who's a gorgeous artist, they find that easy, and I'm like, I don't know how to do that, so I might get discouraged if I'm watching them. So I apologize profusely if I sound smug when I say I find free motion quilting easy, because a lot of people don't. Whatever. God bless you. He does very much. Annie M, she gets excited when she gets a notification on my new videos. Isn't that kind? Anyway, oh, lots of people want me to make gifts and small stuff. I told you before, I make lots of big stuff. Ugh, I can't be bothered. So maybe I'm gonna start making some small stuff. Anyway, most of my comments, which I don't have the energy right at this moment to comment. Dear Jed Lennon, he's in Scotland. Scotland or Ireland? Sorry, Jed. Keep my sense of humor. Yeah, I laugh through everything. Laughing is better than crying, because you cry. You just sit there and cry, because life stinks. Oh yeah, Johanna, I alternate between hot and cold compresses. Yes, that was, I got a heating pad. The heating pad works. The heating pad works. It makes it much better. So anyway, that's that. I'm going to sign off, but I just wanted to share my good news with you guys. This is so cool. I was in a magazine about 4 or 5 years ago, Quilty, an actual pattern Quilty magazine. Just one page, just a little blurb about me. But this is like so cool. This is so cool about my bicycle quilt, which is still for sale. Was that a plug? Anyway, yeah, that was a plug. It's still for sale. It's not cheap because that took some effort. That took some energy and some effort. And it is an art quilt. It came out of my brain, no pattern. But my husband's like, why don't you make a pattern? No, who said it? Not my husband. Somebody said it. Why don't you make a pattern for that quilt? I'm like, I'm not a pattern maker. I don't know how to do that because it just is out of my brain. But yeah, maybe one of these days I'll not make a pattern. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm so pleased. I've been published. I'm in a magazine. I'm pleased. I'm going to go get on my heating pad now, maybe get some ice. But I just wanted to, I'll throw this up on Facebook. Oh, not Facebook. What is this? Oh, YouTube. Yeah, I'm looking at Facebook. I've just been sitting in front of a computer. Anyway, just wanted to check in. I'm getting better. This is a long haul. It hurts. It hurts. No joke. It hurts. I commiserate with any of you who have back problems. I'll have 10 more kids. No, I won't have 10 more kids. But this hurts. This really hurts. But I just wanted to thank you all profusely from the bottom of my heart for being so kind to me. Jean, Truelove. My name is in lights. Anyway, folks, I'll sign off now. One of my kids is like wanting dinner. And I'll see you later. Thanks so much. Bye.